And Julie, you'd said it's DIY friendly, but the longer the flooring material, the harder it is to actually, if you're not working on a good level concrete slab, the longer planks and longer tiles and bigger chunks, that's actually a harder floor to install than working with the smaller pieces.
Yeah, that's where you have to, like, if you're going to do it yourself, you have to be in tolerance. We talk about tolerance, floor prep, that's all important. If you're going to do it yourself, you can have failures by not doing it right from the get-go. So if you have high spots on your floor, you got to either grind them down or lift them up around. Otherwise, you're going to have locking failures. You're going to have bounce, like a trampoline bounce. So you can do it yourself, for sure. Make sure you're reading your instructions. I'm always going to say, if you're going to do it yourself, look at the instructions and read them. Watch YouTube. Don't listen to your neighbor. Go that route.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.